So today we'll see about the progressions of it. So in progressions, progressions is of two types. One is arithmetic progression, and second one is geometric progression. GP. This is arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression. AP is arithmetic progression. GP is geometric progression. Right. So today we learn about what is arithmetic progression. Suppose a series is given 1, 3, 5, 7, so on series of an AP. Of an AP. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on series of an AP. So always you have to consider the first term as A1. Always you have to consider the first term as A1 and second term as A2. So A1 is 1, A2 is 3. A1 is always considered as A. So A is equal to 1. D, what is D? D is common difference. D is common difference. So the formula for D is A2 minus A1 always. So you have to subtract a second term from the first term. Okay. So if the series is given, then always we have to follow this method of writing. So A1 is always considered as A. A1 is always considered as A. So A is equal to the first value. And D is nothing but common difference. D is nothing but the common difference. D formula is A2 minus A1. If series is given, okay, to find the first term and the common difference. So my question is find seventh term. Find seventh term. To find any term, or a specific term in AP, to find any term or specific term in AP, we have a formula, nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find any term in AP. This is the formula to find any term. Any term means 7th term, 10th term, 15th term, 12th term, 100th term also. You can find using this formula. This formula we call as a nth term of an AP. So in this case, my question is 7th term. So 7th term means the value of n will become 7. 7th term means the value of n becomes 7. So the value of A is 1. The value of D is, what is the value of D? So D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1. D is equal to 2. So D is equal to 2. I have to find the 7th term. So N is equal to 7. So what is the formula? An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we'll substitute the values. So A7 is equal to A. What is A? A is 1 plus N. N is 7. 7 minus 1. What is D? D is 2. Then 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 2. Then 1. 6 2 is 12. So 1 plus 12 is nothing but 13. So this is the seventh term of an AP. This is the seventh term of AP of the given series. if the series is given and he's asking you to find the specific term. Okay, suppose if the question is find 12th term, find 12th term of an AP, find 12th term of an AP. Suppose a specific term is given. For example, a specific term is given and the series is not given in this case. Suppose series is not given in this case, only is asking you to find the 12th term and also has given you specific terms which are good. For example, specific terms like find the 12th term of an AP. The third term is 5. Third term is 5, right? And seventh term is 9. Seventh term is 9. So the difference between the previous question and this question is, in the previous question, he has given you the series. So using the series, you are writing the first term, second term, and you are finding the values of A and D. But in this case, the series is not given you. But the thing is that in this case, the terms are given. The third term and the seventh term. So what you have to find? You have to find the 12th term. You have to find the 12th term. So first what you have to do is, first you have to write given third term is, given third term is 5. So how you will write third term? Third term will be written in the like A3. A3 is equal to 5. Then A3 can be written in the form of A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 5. Then again, seventh term. So seventh term is A7. A7 is 9. A7 will be written in the form of A plus 16, then 9. So I'm considering this as first equation and second equation. Now you are getting a doubt why I'm writing A3 as A plus 2D and A7 as A plus 16. Because if you look into the basics, first term is always considered as A. First term is always considered as A. To get the second term, you are adding A. First term, I'm adding D, common difference. To get the second term, I'm adding common difference to the first term to get the second term. Again, for third term, again, I'm adding common difference to the previous term. So every time you are adding this D to get the next term of the series. So I'll get here A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So A1 is A, then A2 is A plus D. How you are getting A plus D means in arithmetic progression, you are going to add the common difference to the previous term to get the next term. For example, if the series is given as 1, 3, 5, so on. So what is the difference between 3 and 1? 2. What is the difference between 5 and 3? 2. It means that he is adding in the question 2 for every case to get the next term. Okay, so here again, if I add 2 to 5, then I'll get the next term as 7. Again, if I add 2 to the 7, then I'll get the ninth term. So this is the concept. This is the concept in the arithmetic progression. So in the case of an arithmetic progression, you're adding the common difference to get the series. Okay, so similarly here also I have used the same concept. So A1 is equal to A, A2 is A plus D. Then the third term will be, again I'll add the D value, then I'll write A plus 2D. So A3 can be written in the form of A plus 2D. Then A plus 10D means, that is A10 means A plus 9D. Right? So A10, if the question is A10, then I'm going to write A plus 9D. Suppose A25. How you write A25? A plus 24D. So to get the term, just use substitute the values of A and D, you will get the 25th term instead of writing complete formula. Then in this case, the value of the first value, the first equation is A plus 2D is equal to 5. Second equation is A plus 6D equal to 9. So to get the values of A and D, I am going to solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So what is the first equation number? A plus 2D is equal to 5. And what is the second equation? A plus 6D is equal to 9. So I use the concept of elimination method. Elimination methods, I'll eliminate. So write minus, minus, minus. I'm going to eliminate the A value. One is positive and one is the negative. So again, I'll get 6, that is 2 minus 6D is nothing but minus 4D. Again, I'll get minus 4, minus minus cancel. So D is equal to 4 by 4. So I'm getting 1. So D is equal to 1. Once you're getting the first term, common difference, substitute in the first equation. What is the first equation? A plus 2D is equal to 5. So A plus 2, what is D? D is 1 equal to 5. Okay. Then A, 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 5. Then I'll move 2 outside. So A is equal to 5 minus 2. A is equal to 3. So I got the value of A equal to 3 and D is equal to 1. What is my question in this case? What I have to find in this one? I have to find the 12th term. I have to find the 12th term. Previously, I have explained you how to write the terms directly without substituting the formula. So my question is 12th term. So 12. So how I'm going to write 12th term? A plus 11D. So A plus 11D, the value of A is 3 and 11, D is 1. Then 3 plus 11 into 1 is 11. So I'm going to get 14. So 12th term is 14. Any doubts? Suppose a series is given number 2, 4, 6, so on 20. So on 20. So 2, 4, 6, so on to 20. This is the last term. So in between, there are many terms are there. We don't know 5 terms are there, 10 terms are there, 100 terms are there. We don't know. But we have few terms in between 6 and 20. I know only the last term. So the series is 2, 4, 6, so on to 20. The first what I will do is A1 is equal to 2. A1 equal to 2, A2 is equal to 4, A1 is equal to A, so A is equal to 2, then again D is equal to A2 minus A1, so D is equal to 4 minus 2, so D is equal to 2. So I got the values of first term and the common difference. So in this case, this is the first term, right? This is the second term, this is the third term, but I don't know to which term it belongs. Okay, so I don't know which term it belongs to, but I'm going to write this as an is equal to 20. I'm going to write an is equal to 20 because the value of n is not known, right? In the first case, this is the first one, so I can write a1. This is the second case, the second term, so I can write 2. But in this case, I don't know the term which it belongs. So I'll write the formula now. Nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? A is 2, d is 2. I don't know n. I have to find the value of n here. Then an. What is an? An is 20. So I'll write 20 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1. D is 2. Then 20. So 2 plus 2 into n is 2n minus 2 into 1 is 2. Then plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So 20 is equal to 2n. So n is equal to 20 by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So n is equal to 10. So it means this is the 10th term in the series. This is the 10th term. This is the 10th term of an AP. Adhavenda?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So question is, how many, before going to that, I'll send one more question. A2 is equal to 38. A6 is equal to minus 22. Find A1, A1, A3, A4 and A5. So in this case, the second term is given and sixth term is given. Second term is given and the sixth term is given. So series is not given in this case. Series is not given in this. Series is not given means we don't know the value of first term and the common difference. We don't know the first term and the common difference. So solving 2 and 6, assuming first equation, second equation and elimination method, you are going to get the value of A and D. Once you are getting the values of A and D, we'll find the values of A1, A3, A4 and A5. So A2. A2 is given as 38, right? So A2 can be written as A plus D. A plus D is equal to 38. I can assume this as first equation. And second one A6. A6 is equal to minus 22. So A6 can be written in the form of A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Second equation. Okay. So I'm getting the first equation and the second equation. I'm solving first and second. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So what is the first equation? A plus D is equal to 38. Again, A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Right? Then minus, this minus becomes plus. So A cancel. Minus 5D plus D is minus 4D is equal to, this is both are plus. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So D is equal to 60 by minus 4. 4 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 fives are. So D is equal to minus 15, right? So once you're getting the value of D, what you have to find then? You have to substitute in the first equation. So what is the first equation? A plus D is equal to 38, right? So what is A? A we don't know. We have to find the value of A. So A plus D, D is minus 15 is equal to 38. So directly we'll write A3. A3 means A plus 2D, 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So 53, 15 to the 30, then 3, 2. So you're getting 23. So again you have to find the A4. What is A4? A plus 3D. So A is 53 plus 3, D is minus 15, then 53 plus into minus is minus 3 into 45, then 3 minus 5 is 8, 4 it becomes 4 then, so answer is 8. So again, what is the next question?
A5.
Next one is A5. So A5. So A5 is A plus 4D. So A5, what is A here again? 53, same. 4. D is minus 15. 53 plus into minus is minus 15 fours are 60. So you're going to get minus 7. Right? Any doubts someone in this case?
No, sir.
So my next question is, for what values of n are the nth term of two APs, 63, 65, 67, so on, and 3, 10, 17, so on, equal. So for what value of n are the values nth term of two APs equal? So he's asking you to find the value of n. Value of n. So in the first case, what we will do is the two series are given and both the series has nth term is equal. Nth term is equal means nth term, when you substitute the values of nth term, the values of A and D, those two values are same. So if two values are same, then find the value of n. That is our question. So first what I'm going to do is, first I'll write the series 63, 65, 67, so on. A1 is 63, A2 is 65, then A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A, so A is equal to 63, then D, A2 minus A1, so D is equal to 65 minus 63, so D is equal to 2. So using the formula, first I'll substitute in the formula. What is the nth term formula? Nth term of an AP, nth term of an AP is equal to, what is the formula? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN, because we don't know the value of n, right? So AN is equal to A. What is A? A is 63 plus n minus 1. We don't know n minus 1 into D. D is 2. Then 63. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into 1 is 2. Then 63 minus 2 is 61. 61 plus 2n. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into 1 is 2. 63 minus 2 is 61. Then 61 plus 2n. So this is an. This we consider as a first equation. Then what is the next series number? 3, 10, 17. So 3, 10, 17. So again A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 10, A1 is equal to A equal to 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1. So D is equal to 10 minus 3. So D is equal to 7. So again what you have to do? Again you have to write the formula. Nth term of an AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to, what is the value of A? A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. Right? What is D? D is 7, no? So then 3, 7 into n is 7n. 7 into 1 is 7. Then I'm going to get 7n minus 4. So an is equal to 7n minus 4. This is the second equation. Right? So first equation equal to second equation, because the nth term of the first equation equal to second equation, that is 1 equal to 2. So what is 161 plus 2n? 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. Right? Okay, now so I'll move 2n to the right hand side and again minus 4 to the left hand side. Then what happens? 7n minus 2n is equal to 61 plus 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? Then again 65. So n is equal to 65 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So n is equal to 30. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
So next question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So my question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So 3 digit starts from 100, right, till 99 is 2-digit number. From 100 to 999. Okay, from means after 999 it's 1,000, it's a 4-digit number. So till you will get 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. So it starts from the 100 to so on to 999. So in between 100 and 999, there are many numbers are there, many digits are there. So we don't know how many digits are there. We don't know. For example, in this case, if I start writing the minimum numbers 100, so how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So I'll start writing from 100. 100 is the 1-digit number. The next one is 101. Next one is 102, 103, so on to 999. Okay, but my question is to find, this is a 3-digit numbers, but my question is to find the divisible by 7. Only the numbers which are divisible by 7 numbers only. I have to find how many that 7-digit numbers are there in this series. So 100 will not go. Divisible means you should get the remainder 0. So 100 will not go. Again 101. Does 101 goes? 102. 102, 103, 104, 105. Yes. How? 105, 7 ones are 7, 3, 5, 7 fives are 34. Right? So 105 is divisible by 7. So I'll write 105 first term. Okay. Then you are dividing with 7. I'm explaining a trick here, Amma. Here you are dividing with 7. Obviously, for every number, the difference will be 7. D. Okay. Here you are dividing with 7. It means that for every number, there will be a difference of 7. So the common difference is 7 here. Am I right? Even if you are not familiar, if you're not understood with that concept, again you go with the next number. 106 will not go, 107 will not go, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. So 112, 1, 1, 2. Again I'll check with 7. 7 ones are 7. Then I'll get 4. I'm taking 2 next value. 7 6 are 42. So I'm getting 112 as the next value. So you can see the difference between these two numbers. 112, difference between 112 and 105 is 7. So if I add 7 to 112, I'll get directly 119 here. Okay. So first term, second term, third term. So on series. I have to find the last term. Okay, last term. 999 will not go because the last digit is 9. So 998 will also not go. Okay. 998. Let's see whether it goes or not. 7 ones are 7. 2, 9. Okay. Then 7 fours are 28. Then 1. Again 8. 18 will not go in the 7 table. So 998 is not there. Then 997, 997, 7 ones are 2, 9, 7 fours are 28, 1, next value, again 7 twos are 14, again 3 will be the remaining. Now find out which is the last term in the series. Come on. 994. 994. So 994 is the last term. So 994, 7 ones are 7, 2, 9, 7 fours are 28, again 1, next value is 14, 7 twos are 14. So I'm getting 0 here. So next value is 994, means the last term is 994. So using the method of calculation dividing method, I found the first term, second term, third term, and also the last term. So my question is, how many terms of divisible of 7 are there from 105 to 994, right? So A1 is equal to 105, A2 is equal to 112. So A1 is always A. So A is equal to 105. And again D is nothing but A2 minus A1. So D is equal to 112 minus 105. So D is equal to 7. Right. Then so what is the last term in this one number? The last term is AN. So AN is equal to 994. So I'll use the formula. What is the formula for nth term of an AP? Nth term of an AP. So nth term of an AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is 994 equal to A is 105 plus N. What is N? We don't know N value. N minus 1. What is D? D is 7. Then I'll move this 105 outside, Amma. So 994 minus 105 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. So how much you are getting? 994 minus 105? 994 minus 105. So 9, 8, 8. So you are getting 8, 8, 9 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. In the next step, I'm going to cross multiply 7. So n minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7. 1 will be remaining. Again 7 twos are. Then again 4 will be remaining. 7 sevens are 49. So n minus 1 is equal to 127. So minus 1 moving out, n is equal to 127 plus 1. N is equal to 120. Any doubts in the summer?
No, sir.
Question is 7 times. Question is 7 times seventh term of an AP. 7 times the seventh term of an AP is equals to 11 times the 11th term of an AP into question. What is the question? 7 times seventh term of an AP is equals to 11 times the 11th term of an AP. Show that 18th term is 0. This is the question. So 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equals to 11 times the 11th term of an AP. Then I have to find the 18th term. So 7 times means 7 times the 7th term. 7th term is A7. 7 times the 7th term is A7 is equal to 11 times the 11th term means A11. Means he's saying 7 times the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. So we have to show that 18th term, we have to show that 18th term is 0. We have to show that 18th term is 0. Then 7, I'll write A7 as A plus 60. I can write A7 as A plus 60. Again 11, A11 as A plus 10D. If I multiply 7 into A, 7 into A is 7A, 7 6 are 42, D is equal to 11 into A. 11 into A is 11A, 11 into 10 is 110D. So I'll move all the left hand side value to the right hand side value. 11A minus 7A, then plus 110D minus 42D is equal to 0. 11 minus 7 is nothing but 4A. 110D minus 42, you'll get 68D is equal to 0. Now I'll take 4 common. A plus 17D is equal to 0. 4 into A is 4A. 4 into 17 is 68D. So if 4 moves out, then A plus 17D is equal to 0. I'll consider this as first equation. I'll consider this as first equation. Then if n is equal to 18, the formula for the nth term, what is the nth term? Nth term of an AP, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then A18 will be A plus 17D, right? A18 and how you write A18? A18 is equal to A plus 17D. So from first equation, what is A plus 17D? From first equation, what is A plus 17D? 0. So therefore, since A plus 17D is 0 from 1, then I can write A18 is equal to 0. Any doubts, someone? No doubt.